The Health app on your iPhone diligently tracks all your health data. However, if it has failed to monitor your steps, these troubleshooting tips will swiftly resolve the issue. We are confident you've already tried restarting your iPhone and updating it to the latest iOS version. Now give these methods a shot to fix it. The iPhone's accelerometer tracks your steps and distance traveled. If the sensor encounters issues, enabling motion calibration can help. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security. Select Location Services. Scroll down, then go to System Services and turn on Motion Calibration and Distance. Next, ensure that fitness tracking permission is enabled. If you've accidentally disabled it for the Health app, your steps won't be counted. To resolve this, navigate to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then scroll down and tap on Motion and Fitness. Turn on Fitness Tracking and Health to allow access to your motion. Finally, consider removing third-party fitness apps such as Fitbit or Strava from your iPhone. Sometimes these apps may cause conflicts and hinder the Health app from tracking your steps or other activities. To do that, select the app and long tap on it. Tap on Remove or Delete App. Confirm on the next prompt, and you are done. We're rooting for one of these tips to get you confidently back on track with your step count. Make sure to subscribe to Guiding Tech, and don't miss out on checking one of the videos we think you will enjoy.